Have you ever looked at your business? Maybe you're making money, maybe things look successful on paper, but you realize you don't actually enjoy most of it? Today, I'll show you the exact mindset shift and system I use to escape the grind and create a business I love. Plus, I'll share a surprising way to fund your growth without outside investors. In 30 seconds, you'll learn how to make more money doing what you actually want. Hey there, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs craving more consistent, higher income months using repeatable systems. And today I'll show you how to align your business with your passions while still getting paid. Here's the plan. First, why so many entrepreneurs end up stuck in a miserable money cycle. Next, my step-by-step approach to create more freedom without risking your main income. Finally, the sugar daddy funding method no one talks about. And make sure you stick around for my favorite failure-proof tip at the end. Let's start with the real problem. Even intentional business owners end up building something they don't love. Here's how it happens. Maybe you start out with passion, designing everything intentionally so your business feels great. Then you have a few money wins, sales are up, you double down on whatever's working, and suddenly you find yourself chasing dollars instead of happiness. It's a cycle. More money, less joy. And if you're anything like me, you start to notice it most when you've been working too much, skipping breaks, stuck inside, or sacrificing Fridays off. Your energy tanks, motivation drops, and business starts to feel heavy. So how do you fix it? Step 1, get radically honest about what you love and what you don't. When I realized I was slipping back into work I didn't enjoy, I sat down and asked myself, what would I actually want to do every day? This isn't just vision board fluff. Sit with the discomfort, list out every offer or task in your business. Circle what fills you up, even if it seems less profitable. Cross out what drains you. This gives you your roadmap. Step 2, adopt a failure-proof mindset. Here's the trick. I know I can always figure things out because I already have. I've made money before, I can do it again, and so can you. The confidence comes from trying, failing, and seeing that not every idea works, but something will if you keep going. Most people try one or two things, get discouraged, and give up. The secret? Keep experimenting. I tell myself,
If people can sell bathwater and farts in a jar, you can absolutely get paid for what you love.
it's not delusional, it's persistence. Every time you try something new, even if it flops, you build skill and confidence. Eventually, option C, D, or H will click. The key, don't quit at option A. Step 3, fund your transition with a sugar daddy offer. People think they need to go all in on their dream, cold turkey, and quit everything else. That's a recipe for panic. Instead, keep a reliable, high-ticket service or offer running in the background. Something you can do even if it isn't your forever thing. This is what funds your experimentation and gives you breathing room, so you don't feel desperate or stressed while you find a better path. For me, I call this my sugar daddy income. It's not actual sugar daddies, but it's the offer that keeps the lights on, pays the bills, and lets me experiment without outside investors or financial strain. That safety is what gives you freedom to try, fail, and eventually succeed. If this is helpful, just hit like and subscribe so you never miss more real talk and practical systems for business freedom. And if you want my Moneymaker GPT, my free tool that helps you identify profitable, aligned offers in less than 10 minutes, you can grab it in the description below. Here's a pro level bonus. Transition gradually. Don't force yourself into all or nothing. Every time I made a big shift, like leaving teaching, I didn't just quit. I started building my next thing while my sugar daddy offer paid the bills. And oh, you don't have to burn bridges or exhaust yourself hustling. Just carve out a little time for your new experiments and use your main offer as a funding source. That keeps things safe, sustainable, and of course, fun. Let's recap. So today you learn how to spot and break out of the stuck money chasing cycle, why failing a lot is just part of building a business you love, how to use a sugar daddy offer to fund your dream life without burnout. Want to discover your next money-making, passion-aligned offer in minutes? Click the link below and get my Moneymaker GPT for free. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world. I'll see you inside.